Hi, welcome to our channel. Our today's video is about Nano Banana. What is Nano Banana and how to use it? It's an AI image generator available at Google AI Studio. It helps to generate images more quicker and better than other image generators. That's why it's getting hype nowadays. So let's start with the video. Search Google AI Studio in the search bar. Here is the result. Click over here. Here is its dashboard. Click the checkbox. Then click I accept. Here it shows the try Nano Banana option. Click over here. Here you can add your prompt. For now we are adding our reference image from upload image. Click and acknowledge. Here is our reference image. We add our prompt here about which type of image we want to generate. It gets just seconds to generate an image. Generated the image. It's asking to enable to save your data. For now we are cancelling it out. You can read details over here. We open image in the new tab. Look at the quality and the details of the picture. It's giving high quality image. Let's try another image. Here we would add our prompt. Let's take a little time to generate the image. Here it's generated the image as we have given in the prompt. So this is how you can use Nano Banana and create images quicker and easier. Thanks for watching the video.